Namaskar. Nowadays, there is a lot of noise around that Indians are not getting enough protein, and vegetarian diet does not have any good quality, complete protein option. It leads many people feeling confused about what to eat. So today, I am going to show you some simple 100% natural soyabean recipe that gives you complete protein and, more importantly, how to digest and absorb it properly. I will also tell you how to combine it wisely and how to make protein a natural part of your diet. So let's start directly with a recipe. For a soyabean coconut curry, for the recipe, instead of whole soyabean, we use soya chunks because these are made from defatted soyabean flour and are highly concentrated in protein. In fact, soya chunks contain around 50 to 52% protein by weight. So they are one of the richest vegetarian protein sources. So take about 1 cup of soya chunk. Boil water with pinch of turmeric and little salt. Switch off the flame and add soya chunk. Let them soak for about 10 minutes. This would soften them well and remove any raw taste. Then squeeze them gently. Rinse once with fresh water. Now we prepare nourishing base. Take about half a cup of fresh grated coconut and 1 to 2 tablespoons of soaked cashew to make this even more wholesome and slightly higher in protein. You add a tablespoon of roasted chana dal. Grind all of this into a smooth paste with a little water. This becomes your rich gravy base. Now heat a very small amount of ghee in a pan. You can add a few fresh curry leaves. At this stage, they relieve a beautiful aroma and support digestion. Then add cumin seeds, freshly grated ginger, a pinch of asafoetida, and a few crushed black peppercorns. Let this gently release its fragrance. Add finely chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften completely. Add turmeric and a little coriander powder. Now add the coconut cashew paste. Keep the flame low and stir patiently. The mixture slowly becomes creamy and smooth. Add a little warm water to adjust the consistency. At this stage, you can add slightly steamed vegetables like green peas, carrots, or beans. If you want to further improve the protein quality, you can also add a few small pieces of paneer. This makes the dish more complete in terms of both fiber and protein. Now add the prepared soya chunks into this gravy. Mix well. Let it simmer for a few minutes so the chunks absorb all the flavors deeply. Then add salt, fresh coriander leaves, and a few drops of lemon juice just before serving. You can serve this curry with a simple millet roti or a small portion of red rice. This combination improves amino acid balance and gives you steady, sustained energy rather than heaviness. Now, let us understand what this preparation gives you. 1 cup of soya chunk used here provides roughly 45 to 50 grams of protein. If you cook for your family and share it with 2 or 3 people, one serving easily provides around 15 to 20 grams of high quality protein, which is pretty good for one meal. And this is complete protein. Your body receives all essential amino acids required for repair, strength, and stability. Coconut in this recipe provides good quality natural fat. These fats give sustained energy, support brain function, and help in the absorption of important nutrients. When you take coconut moderately, it nourishes without burdening your system. Cashews add gentle richness, while ghee supports digestion and tissue nourishment. From an Ayurvedic perspective, this dish is well balanced. Soya chunks are slightly heavy, but ginger, cumin, asafoetida, and black pepper ensure proper digestion and prevent discomfort. Coconut adds a cooling effect. So in this one recipe, you are bringing together high quality protein, good fat and digestive balance. In this recipe, I have included soya chunks because they contain more protein than most vegetarian sources. But there is also a problem here. Many people say, I tried soyabean, it did not suit me, or it caused heaviness or gas. See, the issue is not soyabean. The issue is how you prepared and consumed it. Actually, sometimes you eat protein but do not absorb it. Good digestion is important. So I will give you some tips. Always combine protein with digestive spices. Your kitchen already has them. Jeera, hing, ginger, black pepper. Eat protein-rich food during the daytime, especially lunch. Your digestive fire is stronger at that time. Heavy protein at night cannot be digested easily. Chew properly because protein digestion begins in the stomach and it tells your digestive system to release the right enzyme. If your digestion is slow, avoid combining soyabean with heavy dairy like cream in the same meal. This combination burdens digestion. We have seen how soyabean is protein rich, but variety is also good for your body. So include other natural protein sources in your routine. Moong dal, chana, paneer in moderation. Peanuts, sesame seeds and sprouted legumes. Sprouting increases vitamin content and makes protein lighter on digestion. There is also a small precaution. If you have thyroid imbalance or any specific medical condition, take soyabean in moderation. Now let's understand why we need to include protein in our diet. Research across the India shows that a large percentage of people are protein deficit, even when they feel they are eating enough. This leads to fatigue, hair fall, low immunity, poor muscle tone, and even slower metabolism. You may notice that despite eating regularly, your body does not feel strong or stable. Why does this happen? Because your body is not just built only on calories. It's built on amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Every cell repair, every enzyme, and every hormone depends on protein. Without it, your system cannot function in its best way. Make your meals protein rich and natural with recipes like the one I have given today, and your body will respond with strength. Namaskar.